It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. Just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, this video is going to be a little different. So you guys, I've had this unit on. I've had my unit on for about 7 days. I have not did anything. No, about 7 days, but the last 3 days I literally had my hair in a bunny. I have not did anything to my hair. Like, I've been working out. So look at my hair. Look at my hair, y'all. It look crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys how I bring this hair back to life. This hair is from a company that's called Reshine. I love this hair brand because one thing about their hair, it just snaps back, and I'm gonna show you how. So this hair has a lot of product in it, and I need to like condition it and wash it really good, but I really don't have time because I have something planned for tomorrow morning. So I just have to get my hair together. So as you guys can see, my lace is kind of like messed up and kind of pushed back. We're not gonna worry about that right now. Right now we're gonna focus on detangling the hair. So I'm gonna take like a nice chunky piece of hair. I'm gonna spray it down with water. This is what you want to do when your hair is looking crazy. I'm not gonna do the lace yet because I know I'm about to be pulling and detangling my hair. So I always start from the bottom and I just work my way up in sections. Really detangling the hair. Like that, okay? So just did that section. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just go around. Oh my gosh, I should have tied my hair up, y'all, but I just been in the gym so much that I really haven't even did anything to my hair. So I'm trying to lose weight, so I just been really working out in the gym. But detangling it. This is very easy. Just want to make sure you do it in sections so you can really detangle it. Detangle it, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do this all around my head, and then once we're done with that part, I'll come back. I'm not adding any product right now, y'all, because the hair already really have product in it. It just has to get activated again with like some water. Okay, so now this side is pretty much detangled. I'm gonna just take my hair and put a nice big plait in it, so when it's drying I can be working on my lace and stuff. So I kind of want this out the way as I work on my lace and get my lace back together. So I'm just gonna do this in a nice long plait. And then I'm gonna do the other section. Okay, you guys, so we have the hair detangled and put in 2 little plaits. So now I want to focus on my unit. So what I'm gonna do, so I feel like my unit disregard this bump, y'all. Oh my gosh, my face is just doing what it wanted to. So I feel like this slipped back a little bit, so that's okay. I'm gonna just take some alcohol, and this is 99% alcohol. So I know a lot of people don't like to use alcohol, but that's just what I use for a quick fix when I want to like fix my hair and like get it back right. And I'm only doing it right here because the front part don't look like it pushed back, more on the side. So yeah, so I'm gonna just let the alcohol, see, the alcohol got it really sticky. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push my baby edges back because we're gonna do them over anyway. So I'm gonna push this back so I can get right to the lace. Okay, like so. Now what we're gonna do is take some Even Wonder lace spray, and this is the black one. I'll leave my Amazon store down below so you guys can order it. All the tools that I'm using on my hair, you guys will be able to order it off of my Amazon store. So I'm gonna use about, I would just say like 3 layers. So this is I'm taking this off in probably about another 2 days, so it don't have to be on long. So that's why I'm not gluing it. I'm only so it's really tacky right now. So I'm gonna glue this side on. This lace is really good, y'all. I didn't even clean my lace because, like I said, we're just doing our hair for the time being. But if you want your hair to look really flawless, you probably want to clean the lace while it's on your head. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna just blow dry this side, and then I don't feel like this side slid, but I'm gonna pull it up a little bit, just a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm gonna spray it with alcohol, spray some spray, and then I'm gonna pull it up and blow dry it. Okay, you guys, so the hair is pretty much, the lace is pretty much flat and back flawless. All I did was add a little spray, you know, fix it a little bit, and then I just tied it down with my little band. So next I'm gonna do my baby edges a little bit, just a little bit. The sideburns are already down. So you guys know I just put 2 little scoops here. That's it. It's already cut pretty much because this is me reinstalling. So I'm just gonna pull the hair, the short hair out, and then I'm gonna just like scoop it in the little spot that it was already. So this is like an easy part. Okay, you guys, so we pretty much got the baby edges as good as they're gonna get tonight. So I'm gonna slowly just take my plait out, slowly loosen it up a little bit. I don't know why I look like I got a part. I don't want a part, but yeah. It's gonna look so flawless in the morning too. But I just want to show y'all how I bring my hair back to life. Like I said, it already really pretty much got product on it. All it needed was a little water. Just fix the front a little bit. Still be gentle, because I feel like my lace is still not all the way like completely dry. So I'm gonna position it the way I like it. I don't really like a part. I don't know why I look like it got a part right there. But okay. So everything is nice. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my curl, what is this? Curl La La by Auntie Jackie, and I'm gonna just put a little bit of this in it. This is like a really amazing curling cream. I love putting this on my hair. Definitely at the bottom. I love putting it towards the bottom the most. I'm gonna put a little bit more at the bottom area. Reshine, this is not my first time working with them. I must say that their hair is super soft. super soft. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair completely dry, and I think the hair is so beautiful. I definitely am going to keep this in for the rest of the week. It's just so gorgeous. Look at the curls, and this is like 95% dry. It's a little wet at the top, but not really. I'm going to turn around and let you guys see the back, but the hair is so pretty, y'all. I'm not going to run my hand in it as much because I don't want it to freeze up, but if you want your curls to be a lot more tighter, all you have to do is mix your �𝐿𝐿𝐻𝐿 with a little mousse, and oh my gosh, your curls will be popping. But I really like these like loose type of curls, just very effortless. Let me show you guys how long it is when I pull it towards the front. So it has a nice length, and yeah, really cute. Y'all saw me, you know, this hair was looking crazy when I first got on camera, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys how I, you know, do my hair, fix my hair up when it's looking crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.